So when I say ND, that is to mean number of doorbell. I have 70. I go to 45 when I say K, number of K, that is to me, represents the number of knockers. Are we together, children? So N key will be 45. So when I say the number of boss, I don't have the number of boss here. That is to mean that number of dul and number of k as the union, I have seen that I have 100. When I write number of d intersection number of k, that is to mean that the number of do intersection number of k as knockers, I don't have that number. I can represent it as x or y. Let's say that x, because I don't, this is a number, both doorbell and knockers, I don't have. I need to represent it as x. Are we together? So now, but I don't have also the neighbor. So the house that doesn't have doorbell and knockers is zero. Will be zero, which means that I don't have. You can write in this way: none of the union k complement will be zero because I don't have that number. So let's provide the graph here, so as we are coming here to say as solution, you need to make this circle. We have here so if I say ND, I have its number, it will be 70. NK, I have it, their number will be 45. So, but here is this place here to represent the number of, can be the number of students or can be any number. So here this number of do and the key neither will be represented here. We have here 0. So we have the number of do, it is 70. We have the number of k as knockers will be 45. Here it means that the number of do and k will be as both will be x. Let's present here x. The meaning is that we need to come to find the number. So if I ask you how many each do based on, you take this number as the total number of the set of do minus this number of x. The number of do bears only will be calculated by taking the total number of the set of do minus this x. When I go to this one, I take the number of knockers only will be calculated by taking the total number of the set as 45 minus this x. I'm going to look for this only, the set of knockers only, but not included of do bells. So, as a solution, we need to solve for x. We need to solve for x for the purpose of getting this value of both do and knockers. We need to add both with here the summation, with here the summation of 100. So we take do as 70 minus x. We took this side 70 minus x as it's only here we have 45 minus x. We are going to add and we equalize this our summation we have here. So plus this x as boss plus 45 minus x. This 45 stands for all the sets of key. With plus this 0 of neighbor will be equal to 100. Will be equal to 100. Are we together, children? Well done. Thank you very much. We are going to solve by removing the bracket 70 minus x plus this x plus 45 minus this x plus 0 will be equal to 100. We simplify, we cancel this negative and negative, which automatically gives us 0. We add the same things, the same unit. 70 plus 45, 70 plus 45, here it is 5, here it is 11, will be 150 minus this x, which will be equal to this 100. Minus the x will be 100 minus 115. Change the sign. Minus x will be equal minus 15. We simplify negative and negative. We got x which is equal to 15. So this x stands for the number of both doorbells and what? And knockers only. Stands for x for number of both bells, both doorbells and the knockers. Are we together? So, our question, let's move to our question. Our question is to say what? Can you remind us? Remember, we have a homework of forming a set of living things. So, remember, let's go on, let us come back to our question. Have both. How many? Find the number of houses that have both. We come to A. And the number of house, the number of house that have both doorbells and knockers will be 15. Will be 15. 15 houses. Clear? Go. Let's come back to B. Have doorbells only. We are going to look for the number of houses which only has doorbells only. We come to our set here as Venn diagrams. Here we come to now the side of set. We shall have the number of doorbells only will be calculated by taking 70 as total number of all sets of doorbell minus this x which is equal to both of either of knockers and what? And the door. So which is equal to 70 minus 15. Our result will be 55. 55 houses. Good. Let's come back to number C. Number C will be have knockers only. The knockers only, the house with knockers only will be 45 45 minus the value of both minus x, which will be equal to 45 minus this x of 15 of both, which will be equal to 30. 30 halves. Let's prove. We are going to prove by replacing this value we have seen, so that it should be equal to 100 to 100. We need to redraw. We need to redraw. We need to redraw. Are we together? Redraw the Venn diagram. Okay, here, I told you here we use E, which is equal to 100. We come So we have any D, which is equal to 70. We have any and Q. We are verifying, which is equal to 45. This size of do based on we have seen that it is 55. Here it is 30. Here it is 15. Here it is 0. Here it is 0. We are going to add. This total, this x only must be equal to the total. 55 plus this 15 will be equal to 17. Let's check. 55, 15, 10. 5 plus 5 will be 0 here. As I write 0 here, I carry here 1. 1 plus 5 will be 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. 7 automatically. So we have 55 plus this 15 plus also this 30. Should be equal to plus 0 should be equal to 100. This is now verified. So our solution, it is clear and it is well done. So thank you very much. Let us give you homework. Thank you. See you tomorrow.